and summer from Happy Family Fireworks. How about your July 4th season? I hope you had a good one. After the season, we got a lot of good comments from our customers and the direct consumers who shoot our fireworks from US market, and we are really glad about that. Let's take a look of all these good comments from them. So, if you want any more information about our Happy Family Fireworks, welcome to visit us at www.happyfamilyfireworks.com. And if you have any questions, welcome to email us sales@happyfamilyfireworks.com. So, see you next time. Bye bye.